Sorry.
No, you're fine.
Okay.
I'm not one of those angry women. Yep.
Do you need me to do anything?
No.
Go for it. You got this. Hold on. You want to put it back down here and get a running start again?
Really? I don't know what happened because it's just my tires.
Just your tire slid out.
I might. It's gonna fucking spin, isn't it?
You want to go back further?
No. Well, I could try it first and then maybe.
Okay. All right.
Maybe do that.
I got you a little bit, so just go easy, and I'm pushing.
So, Matt, you get on the other side.
Okay.
You want to just back it up, or you want me to?
We're going to put one hand here and
Yep.
one on the trash bar.
Yep.
So that we don't, either one of us get roosted.
Yep.
And keep her straight, too, at the same time.
Oh, that's so easy.
Oh, we got you. Yep, back it up. Oh, you're all right. Don't worry about it.
Nice.
Oh, thank you.
No base. It hasn't rained in 2 years.
Oh,
It was just like a hourglass.
Did you shower?
Dude, come on, you washed that back there.
It wasn't always cold.
need help? Dump it to the side so we can yank it out of the hole. Yeah, turn it off.
Oh shit, you too.
I don't want to stand there because we'll lose the spot there. I will. Hold on. I'm afraid my legs, Tim. I wouldn't stand there. Look how deep that is. That'll break your leg if you get caught in there. Nice and easy. This is all Greg's fault, you know that. He started this shit. I gotcha. I got it.
I know, I gotta get the hint.
You know that last little ravine? He sunk right into it, and underneath it, it collapsed the hole.
Oh no.
My leg went all the way down to my thigh. I stepped in there.
You want to just walk it from here, or you want me to ride it?
You got it, Jess. Oh, we almost had it right there. Easy, easy. Hey.